Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by setting your sequence and importing assets. Choose 1920x 1080 at your target frame rate. Once done, organize bins so you can find layers quickly. Name and color code. Open Essential Graphics and create a master graphics layer to house reusable elements. This saves time later. Next, convert any Photoshop layers to editable text or shapes inside Premiere so you can animate directly. Make sure to set playback resolution to 1/2 for smooth scrubbing. Now you build and animate. Draw shapes and add text within Essential Graphics, then stack layers to establish hierarchy. Use position and scale keyframes with Bezier easing to create organic movement. Right-click keyframes to choose ease in or ease out. Apply rotation sparingly and add motion blur for polish. For complex reveals, use track matte keys or inverted mats and align timing to your audio hits. Once animated, pre-compose or nest sequences to keep the timeline tidy and editable. Finish by polishing. Scope color and contrast with Lumetri, add inner shadows or glow effects to separate layers. Make sure motion blur and frame blending are consistent. Preview RAM rendered sections. Export through Media Encoder using an H.264 preset and hardware encoding for speed, and check bitrate settings for target delivery. If render errors or stuttering occur, clear media cache, update GPU drivers, and toggle render maximum depth or use software rendering as a last resort. These steps usually fix rendering artifacts or dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.